Ayo boss, and welcome back. It's fall season, so it is time to start cooking some beautiful fall dishes. Fun fact about Chef, he actually doesn't have a lasagna dish, nor he cooks lasagna. But today, he's going to show us how to make inside-out lasagna. This is a simple dish and very, very delicious. We think you're going to enjoy it, and it's perfect for the fall season. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get cooking. Go ahead and heat up a medium pan with a little bit of oil. And Chef put some oil in his pan because the ground beef he's using is actually 90-10. It's a little on the leaner side. So you put your ground beef in and use your mix and chop to break it apart. Cook this on medium high to high for several minutes. Next up, go ahead and add your chopped onions. Chef has a half of a sweet onion that he added. Stir this around and let it continue to cook till fully brown. Now go ahead, a little bit of garlic, and then finish that off and place it to the side. Go ahead and get your water boiling for your pasta. Don't forget to watch our how to cook pasta video to really show you how to do this easily. Chef's going to cook this al dente, meaning it's not fully cooked through. So Chef's going to go ahead and just give it a quick touch to make sure it still has a little firmness to it. Next, we're going to go ahead and finish everything off. So a little bit of cottage cheese. We're using Friendship. Not sponsored, not yet, but they are good cottage cheese. You can ask our director. He loves it. Go ahead and mix that around. And don't forget, all the ingredients will be listed in the description below. And don't forget to check out our blog. Next up, you're going to put your red sauce in. And again, stir this around. And then finally, you're going to just go ahead and add your pasta and stir this around. Go ahead and get your oven-safe pan, a little non-stick spray. Place everything right in there. And Chef's going to add a little bit of shredded mozzarella to the top. He also has his oven set to 350 degrees. Next, go ahead and put some shredded Parmesan cheese on top. And Chef really didn't add any more seasonings, not even salt or pepper. This really has enough flavor to it. Next up, you're going to add some fresh parsley or seasoned parsley from your seasoning cabinet. And place this in the oven for about 15 minutes. Chef, you rebel, still wearing white after Labor Day. We love it. So here it is about 15 minutes later. Has a nice golden top to it. Everything's ready to go. Chef, let's go ahead, break into it and show us what you got. So it's not like your typical lasagna where it's layered, so you can kind of just scoop it right out into a bowl and get ready to serve it up. If you want to, a little bit of shredded Parmesan cheese on top for some garnish and extra flavor, and that's about it. Chef served this up with some bread and butter, of course, and there you have it. Kind of our first fall dish of the season. It came out delicious, and it was very simple. Perfect for coming home, getting that ready for the family. Thanks, everyone. We do hope you had a great time watching this. We hope you try this out. Don't forget, everyone, cooking should be fun. Have fun doing it.